Hello! In today's video I'm going to talk about how to make your proposal stand out by creating a video pitch. Business owners are getting pitch emails, and most of them are dull PDF files. The chances of these being discarded without even looking at them are very high. But let's say that you are doing something differently and your pitch will stand out. Imagine yourself. You're a business owner and you get two emails from two different companies. One is a beautifully designed PDF document and the other one a video pitch where the person is sharing ideas and directly talking to you. What do you think? Which one are you more likely to remember? Hello Ownrings, let me tell you one secret. We have something in common. Can you guess what? Business is all about relationships, and we're not just talking about quality services or products, we're talking about good old-fashioned trust. And I think a good video pitch helps you to build that. Videos are a great way to get potential clients interested, but sometimes it's a bit technical and time-consuming. While you may have some equipment, you still need time to set up the camera, record, present and edit. At least this is the way I've done it so far. I used my professional camera to record myself, and for capturing the screen, I used the screen capture program. Later I edited these two clips together using Adobe Premiere. Time-consuming, yes, but it doesn't have to be. Loom allows me to create and share videos quickly and easily. You don't need to know how to use expensive video equipment. Simply hit record, pitch the idea and share it with the customer with a few clicks. Let me show you how. Here is the big thing. Loom is free. I still use the free version and it is awesome. They also have very affordable premium versions and they come with the cool features. You can check it out from the website. There are actually two ways of using Loom. The first and the easiest way is to use Loom as an extension. Just visit the Chrome Web Store and install Loom. The downside with the extension is that the camera bubble won't be recorded when presenting something out of the Chrome application. There is also a desktop app available for Loom that allows you to record the screen and yourself simultaneously across all applications. So, for the sake of this video, I will show you how to use the Chrome extension. So, when the Chrome extension is installed, you can see a little Loom icon on the right side of the Chrome. When clicking on that, some options will pop up for us. The recording process can be done in many ways. Screen and camera, screen only, and camera only. Like the naming implies, the screen and camera records both. Like this. I am in this bubble right here and you can see my screen here. In case you're a bit camera shy, you can still make your video when selecting screen only, and then your camera is replaced by the picture that you have chosen. Screen only. It can be your company's logo, but I recommend a picture of a person because this way the proposition would be more personal. In case you don't want to present something else, you can record only your camera. Next, you can choose whether you want to record the full desktop or only the current tab. If you want to show multiple tabs, for example, you have a video on YouTube and maybe a presentation on G Drive, you select the full desktop option. Next, you should check your recording settings and make sure you have a right microphone and web camera input selected there. So all technical aspects are now in place. Make sure your hair is straight, the text is memorized, and your awesome proposition video recording starts after 3 seconds. Hello Ownrings, let me tell you one secret. We have something in common. Can you guess what? We are both from Saaremaa. Now, that's out of the way, let's move on. Your products caught my attention and I'm really hyped that something so incredible is produced in the same region where I was born. Upon browsing your website, I can tell that you are focused on health-conscious living and you also offer a wide variety of products. Promoting a healthy lifestyle is something essential to me as well. But you may ask, who am I? Long story short, I am a cinematographer focused on tabletop product videos. You can see some of my portfolio from Instagram page. I have worked with small and medium-sized businesses to bring their products to life on camera. For example, I have worked with Müo lihatööstus, Saaremaa Veski, Mamma, Nautimus. This is my favorite niche and I really hope that we can also work together. The first idea I had is that maybe you are interested in short product videos that are focused on one product. For example, something like that. Having text, slow motion and fast cuts would really catch attention, I think. Of course, I would make the set close to your brand, maybe having a more minimalistic set and using those shapes like cubes would be a great idea. Feel free to let me know if I caught your attention and if you're interested in using something like that in your marketing. Have a great week! So if you have gone through the proposal, then you can just click finish recording and Loom will bring you automatically to the editing window. You can watch the video, rename it if you want, and then you can copy the link and send it to your prospective client. There are some more cool features that I'm hyped about. You can just copy the link and share it, but a memorable option would be copying the GIF link and sharing this. So this way the email contains the live GIF with the link and would be more appealing. So that was the idea behind using Loom. If you are an agency, a freelancer or a business owner, do yourself a favor and produce your next proposal in a video format. At least once. You can implement this idea to different formats. For example, you can make your next price offer in a video format. That is all about making a lasting impression by standing out and being memorable. I bet you see the difference if you try that. Finding new clients isn't just about proposals. There are also other marketing video formats that make yourself visible in the market. Continue on to this video to learn about the passive method that helps your business to gain more exposure without actively sending videos.